What's up, guys? So I'm gonna be introducing you guys to my dogs. So here's one troublemaker. He has a big chew toy, making all of this right there. And if you walk right over here, big cat, fine looking dog, nice, pastoral, nice. And as you can see, I do live on a farm. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Hey, Red. What is it? And look at that little dog. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Oh, come on. What is it? I'm gonna take that. Got it now. Bye. Take the throw this thing right here. But you guys can't see the gun. Just kidding, is that here? Oof. Now guys, I will do a face reveal at 20 subscribers. I just need 3 more to get for you guys to see my face reveal. What is going on down there? What the heck? I was thinking I was a tractor. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. I'll see y'all. See y'all. That just kind of sound weird. Oh, Cap is still recording. My bad.